Hello guys, in this intermediate trick video, I would be telling you how to solve these two F2L cases. To recognize our first F2L case, the edge is in the slot of the pair. So to do this, we can recognize also by this whole bar here and the white facing to us. So you would do a u prime r u prime r prime q2 and insert. There's another way of doing this pair that goes from facing this angle and white crosses sticker facing to the right. It goes, that's just 2 times ru r prime u prime, and here you have to do u prime. For our second case, when we have our edge corner facing to the front and it's not matching, so to do this you would do a u2 r u r prime or r u prime r prime, and both would set up the case. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this helpful, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel Cubing Tips and Tricks.